Hey there, it's Chris at Obelisk Enterprises, and I want to shoot this quick video testimonial for Ed and the guys over at Clicks Geek. They helped me out of a jam recently. I run Facebook ads for clients, and I had a client that said, "Can you do Google AdWords?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I've done Google AdWords. I've been certified before, and but it's one of those things I don't enjoy doing. I know how to do it. I'm like, ugh." And I'd met Ed years ago at a mastermind and seen him in various groups, and I had actually used him for a service about a year ago, and he knocked it out of the park. And I meant to shoot him one then, and I just a lazy marketer and never got around to it. So here I am. So fast forward to today, I've had two clients. Actually, the one from the first campaign came back, and they wanted us to run it again, and that's because of Ed, because they got amazing results. And as a matter of fact, we actually sent them too many leads, so they actually paused it, so their infrastructure couldn't handle it. That's how good Ed was. He actually inundated the business with too many leads. You don't hear that a lot from service providers. And that's why I went right back to him. And then he got me out of a jam with another client that I had promised I'd do AdWords for. I just kept procrastinating on it. And I'm like, oh, I just don't feel like doing it. So, let me call that again. So sure enough. So it's literally everything from the onboarding to the results. I mean, it's seamless. It's literally seamless. My clients don't even know that it's not me fulfilling. They don't realize that I have, Ed and his team over there doing it. It's freaking awesome. It's like the perfect relationship. And if you're looking to scale your business and grow and, become like a legit agency, Ed and his team are the perfect people to have on your side, backing up doing all your Google AdWords and stuff. And he'll actually advise you on like the best way to set up campaigns and stuff. For this one market, I wanted to go after pay per call. He's like, I don't know about that. You might want to do it this way. And he actually advised me that way. And sure enough, it blows it out of the water every time. So anyways, can't recommend them highly enough. If you are serious and you need to get results for your AdWords campaigns, go talk to Ed and his team. That's it. Thanks, Ed. I appreciate everything you've done for me. And again, you guys rock. Take care.